Hi guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today we're going to talk about ACCVID, Accelerating Video Diffusion Model with Synthetic Dataset. So we're going to use this on WAN 2.1. So the first thing you do is to download the LoRa. Use the link on video description to access this and search for ACCVID 121. Okay, there is for image to video and text to video. You could download both, but in the example, we're going to use the image to video. Since text to video, we could use CloudFit. CloudFit, that is faster. Download this and put on your LoRa folder. The usual folder is ComfyUI models LoRa. Save it there. Now go to your workflow, image to video workflow. Make sure you use this one video LoRa select and select the LoRa that you just download. That is one ACC to feed at this. It's this. Just connect it to the LoRa and the models. And the sample, we use this video, this image. I use a lot, generate a lot, so I'm going to show you a lot of examples after this. But what you need to do is first, you could use the cache, or you could turn it off if you want. Turning it off will increase the quality, but increase the process time. Using ACCVID LoRa, it will help you to use less steps. Usually, if you create a video using image to video, you use 30 steps. But in this case, you could use 10 steps and you still generate good result. And in this example, I used 1 to 9 frame, number of frame, and 5. Okay, the image size is 408.32. I turn off these two process, but you could experiment with it. And I'm going to show you what with the TKH and not the other without the TKH. And make sure you use 10 step. You could use this setup. 8 step sometimes work, but 10 is better. For 1 to 9 frame and this image size, using 10 step, it without TKH is going to take about 2100 seconds in RTX 4060 Ti 16GB. Using TKH is going to reduce this process time into 1600. So a lot of reduced time. Using 30 step without the with or without the LoRa, it's going to take like 1 hour, I guess. 3200 seconds. I tested it out. So 320 seconds for 30 step. So it produced more than almost half the time to process. And with TKH, you could use only half the time because you use 10 step. Remember, it not reduced the time per step. It make that you could generate with 10 step with better result. So if you use 30 step, it's going to take the same time, but it might produce better result, I guess. Anyway, here are a bunch of examples.
Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe,